my channel. I'm so excited that you are here. If you're new here, I discuss everything beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. So, as you can tell by the title, I am doing an unboxing of my Cartier sample bag that I received at the Cartier boutique. Now, I'm not sure if every boutique has a fragrance ambassador, but if they do and you're in there and you're kind of looking at the different fragrances, trying to discover what you like, they can give you a little sample bag that has a bunch of different fragrances in there, so you can actually go home, try them on, and see what you like. It's so cute. Comes in this like little tiny red Cartier bag. And inside it had an array of different fragrances. The first one is the Panther, which is an eau de parfum. It's described as a feline floral fragrance and the trail of captivating woman, a radiant gardenia enhanced by mellow and musky notes. Now the full-size bottle is a 1.6 ounce, and I believe it retails for around like $130. What's really good about this is you don't have to commit to a whole $138 bottle of fragrance if you're not even sure that you're gonna like it. So it's really good to get these to kind of just spray it on, see how it lasts and how it wears on you before you have to commit to it. This one's really cool, and I'm really excited about this one because gardenia is one of my favorite notes. Also, it came with these, which is the eau de toilette. It has 3 different fragrances in it, and it's from their Revise line, which it has 3 different scents in there, and they're all titled differently. This one, I'm just gonna say the English translation. This one is like Innocence, I believe. This one is Luxury. And then I'm gonna butcher this, but I'm gonna try Aglabris. And these are all modeled after the rivers in Cartier. This full-size bottle does retail for, I believe, like $120. It also had the Noir de Parfum, which this is a pure parfum. The difference between this one and the others is this is not a spray. This comes with like a little dabber. So you're able to take it off and then you can kind of like dab it on your arm. The next one is the Noir de Brilliance. And this is an eau de parfum as well. I believe this is their more expensive line. I think this one retails for about $260. And it's a 3.5 milliliters, 0.11 fluid ounces. So it's a good amount to really try and see what you like. The next is Declaration Eau de Toilette. Dare to declare, with the spicy wood freshness, the strength of cedar, and the fresh of cardamom. And I believe this is a men's fragrance as well. I think we're going into the men's fragrances. The next is Pasha de Cartier, Edition Noir. And this retails, again, I think this one is a little bit less expensive because it's a toilette. And this one retails for about $100. And this has green citrus combined with a depth of amber and cedar wood. And the last one is Pasha de Cartier. This is just their original. And this is a confident, sensual, amber scented fragrance. This is also a men's fragrance. But funny thing is, a lot of women do wear the Pasha de Cartier. And what's so good about it is that you can try the different ones before you have to commit and really see what wears nicely on your skin tone. So if you like videos like this and you like discovering new fragrances, discovering new makeup, little lifestyle tips, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, see ya.